Imagine transforming your healthcare organization's data into actionable insights within seconds. With Amazon Athena, you can unlock the full potential of your data without the complexity of traditional analytics tools. Today's healthcare landscape demands rapid, data-driven decisions, and Athena provides the agility you need. Stay with us to discover how this powerful tool can revolutionize your operations and drive meaningful outcomes. You're on the brink of a data revolution in healthcare. Embrace the opportunity to lead your organization into a future where every decision is informed, every process optimized, and every patient benefits from superior care, thanks to the capabilities of Amazon Athena. But what is Amazon Athena? It is a serverless, interactive query service that enables fast, flexible analysis of data stored in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. With Athena, you can unlock real-time insights that drive proactive patient care and operational excellence. By adopting this technology, you position yourself as a leader in using advanced data analytics to tackle complex healthcare challenges. Imagine transforming data into a strategic asset that propels your organization forward. This is your moment to take the first step. Before we dive in, don't miss out on our free implementation guide. Click the link in the description to access it now and start your journey with Amazon Athena today. This comprehensive guide offers valuable insights and step-by-step instructions to help you seamlessly integrate Athena into your existing systems. Equip your team with the knowledge they need to harness the full power of your data and drive impactful results from day one. Healthcare organizations are inundated with vast amounts of data from patient records, treatment outcomes, and operational metrics, creating a complex landscape that is difficult to navigate. Managing and analyzing this data efficiently is a constant struggle, as traditional data processing methods are often slow, expensive, and require significant technical expertise. Additionally, ensuring data security and compliance with regulations like HIPAA adds another layer of complexity, making it challenging to maintain both efficiency and adherence to legal standards. The integration of disparate data sources further complicates the process, leading to fragmented insights and delayed decision-making. As a result, leaders find it increasingly difficult to gain timely, accurate insights needed to make informed decisions that drive organizational success and improve patient care. Amazon Athena offers a serverless, interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze your data directly in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Without the need for complex infrastructure or upfront costs, Athena enables your team to run queries on large datasets swiftly and efficiently. Its seamless integration with other AWS services ensures that your data workflows are streamlined and secure, while its scalability allows you to handle growing volumes of data without compromising performance. Additionally, Athena's pay-per-query pricing model ensures cost-effectiveness, allowing your organization to manage expenses based on actual usage. This comprehensive solution means faster decision-making, improved patient care, and streamlined operations without the usual hurdles of data management, empowering your team to focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional healthcare services. Starting on your Amazon Athena journey is both simple and efficient. Begin by organizing your data within Amazon S3, then take advantage of Athena's intuitive query editor to start analyzing your information seamlessly. To initiate the process, set up your AWS account, configure your data sources in Amazon S3, and utilize Athena's guided setup to run your initial queries. Follow our best practices to ensure optimal performance and smooth integration within your existing data infrastructure. Ignoring the potential of Amazon Athena means continuing to grapple with inefficient data processes, which can severely hinder your organization's ability to respond to critical healthcare challenges. This inefficiency can lead to delayed insights, resulting in missed opportunities to improve patient outcomes and optimize operational workflows. Additionally, increased operational costs due to outdated data management systems can strain your budget and limit resources available for essential services. In a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, falling behind in data analytics not only hampers your ability to stay competitive but also risks compromising patient care quality. Adopting Amazon Athena empowers your organization to harness data effectively, leading to enhanced decision-making and operational efficiency. You'll be able to quickly respond to emerging trends, optimize resource allocation, and improve patient care through data-driven strategies. Athena's seamless integration with existing systems facilitates collaboration across departments, ensuring that all stakeholders have access to the insights they need. Additionally, the scalability and cost-effectiveness of Athena ensure that your data analytics capabilities grow alongside your organization's needs, while its robust security features protect sensitive patient information. By leveraging these advantages, your organization can drive innovation, maintain a competitive edge, and continuously improve the quality of care you provide. The ability to effectively analyze and utilize data is crucial for the future success of healthcare organizations. By leveraging Amazon Athena, You position your organization to lead in innovation, provide superior patient care, and maintain a competitive edge in the industry. Failing to embrace these tools could result in stagnation and lost opportunities in an increasingly data-driven world. Don't let your organization fall behind. Take the first step towards transforming your data strategy with Amazon Athena. Click the link in the description to download your free implementation guide and discover how easy it is to get started. Empower your leadership with the tools they need to drive success and make a lasting impact in healthcare.